Hello students, welcome back to the second video. We are talking about towns, traders and craftsperson. In this second video, we are going to talk in detail about small towns. What did small towns had in the medieval time period? Earlier we had seen about the administrative center with an example of Tanjavur, that is during the Chola dynasty time period. Okay, and then we saw the temple towns. How did they work out? Now we are going to check out with what all small towns are. So small towns basically had a mandapika or mandi type, okay, wherein people used to come in bulk. They used to sell all the vegetables. Nearby villages brought their products for selling in the market. So usually there used to be a huge area wherein people come with lot of vegetables, and localites who are staying there, they would come purchase it in bulk and they could take it. Then you have in small towns fortified palaces. Samanthas or zamindars built this fortified palaces and levied taxes on the people. So this is how the money used to, economically they used to get benefited through the fortified palaces. Traders, some lived in town because of the work, some traveled from town to town. If the zamindars or the kings, if they appointed in other place them, then they needed to travel. Then you have the streets. Market streets called hart, which were lined with shops, and streets for artisans, potters, oil pressers and sugar makers. So these are the streets where they used to provide people, okay, where they could sell their products. So basically a small town would have a mandi wherein people would come for selling their products in the market, fortified palaces where zamindars and samanthas could extract tax through tax form. They could get it, okay, amount. Traders used to either live in the town or they used to travel to different towns. Then streets used to have lot of people who used to make pottery work, weaving work, sugar makers and all. So this is all about the small town. This is the mandi where you can see a lot of people sitting in for selling in bulk the things. Then you have the fortified palaces, which you can see in the picture, okay, from where they could extract the amount. Then you had the traders, small traders, either who lived in the town or used to travel based on their work. Then this is the market street where you can see a lot of people selling their products, okay. This is the overall view about that place. So hope students you all have understood with the small town, okay, and we'll see in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.